Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. It's Veterans Day weekend. Yes, and as you know, I am a vet, United States Air Force, 1988 through 1992. I was a crew chief and inspection team member on U-2s and TR-1s. Yes, thank you to all my fellow vets. Being Sunday, Robin and I did our usual Sunday morning shopping. This shopping was very productive. Not only did we get stuff for this week, but we have started our Thanksgiving weekend shopping. You know, the things that you can put in the pantry or in the freezer with no problem. So we did that, and we got a lot of things on sale, including our turkeys. Yes, 2. One's for Thanksgiving, and one is for whenever. Robin wanted to get a second one. Hey, it's a good time. Itch. All right. Last night, we did Papa Murphy's Pizza. It was the Papa Murphy's combo. Oh, yummy. Nothing like it. I mean, it was nice. It was a relaxing evening. Yeah. Tonight, I'm doing something a little special. And I got to go on a field trip for this meal. I'm doing Thai Spiced Chicken Meatballs in a coconut curry. Oh, this should be really fun. Lots of fun. And I got everything. And like I said, I got to go on a field trip over to Super X Market in Linda, California. As you know, that is my favorite Oriental store. Yeah, I even found some things that didn't know I was looking for, but I wasn't looking for it really. You know what I mean? So yeah, one of those items helped me with the spice blend yesterday. Woohoo! All right, let's get to it. Got the hardware. We'll be doing this with long grain white rice. Obviously, the Dutch oven is everything I do. You know, a lot of stuff I do is in Dutch ovens. Okay, we're using ground chicken. Yeah, and okay, the grater, one of the blades of death, I'm going to be grating up the zucchini, which goes in the meatballs. I'm using yellow onion. It calls for shallot through this meal, but I've decided to use yellow onion because it's similar. It's a pretty good substitute. It has some green onion in it, some garlic, of course, and ground ginger. I'm using a Thai chili powder. Thailand. It actually calls for cayenne, but I like the tastiness of the Thai chili. Some black pepper. It's got tamari in the meatballs, and there's also tamari in the sauce. If you don't know, tamari is a type of soy sauce. So if you don't have tamari, you can actually use really good old soy sauce. For the sauce, a little bit of olive oil, some butter, red bell pepper, again, yellow onion instead of shallot. Yesterday, one of the items I picked up is a red curry paste. This is from Thailand. My favorite dragonfly coconut milk, more ground ginger, and some cilantro. Again, and I've mentioned this before, cilantro is widely used in Asian cooking, to include India. And one of the garnishes is fresh basil. Of course, we have the rice. So, this is going to be a fun meal. I'm really looking forward to this. Especially when I'm using products that are directly from the Orient. They're fun to work with. And actually, I got some other little things that I forgot to bring them out because they're in the freezer. It is an Oriental bay leaf. Ted, one of the employees at Super X, recommended it. And they're in the freezer because they'll stay fresh in the freezer, whenever I need them, because they came in like a regular Ziploc bag. So we'll be throwing some of this bay leaf in with the sauce. All right. Whew. All right. On this Sunday, I guess the 49ers are playing the Bucks right now. I don't know. I'm not a football fan. We saw a fun couple at the store, and they were both in 49ers gear. It was really cool. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.